Hello students, how are you all? So let us start solving this question. Here in this question we are given a triangle and this side length is given as 8 units from here to this point, and also this is given as 3 units, and this is find the area of this purple rectangle. Okay, so let us solve this question, and how to solve this type of question I'll give you a clear cut idea about this. Okay, so first step is let us give names to the vertices and the endpoints. So we have, let's say this is A. Okay, the triangle is ABC. Give name E to it, give name D to it, and F to this. Okay, we have triangle ABC, and the rectangle whose area is to be calculated is BDEF. Okay, so we have a figure like this. Now we need to find the area of this purple rectangle, and we know the area of rectangle is given by this side length multiplied by this side length, because opposite side lengths are same, so the product of these two adjacent sides will give you the area. So let us consider this side length is, let's say, x units, and this side length is y for the rectangle. Okay, so this is given to us. In solving this question, what we are going to use is, the concept that we are going to use is of similar triangles. Similar triangles, if you have two triangles which are similar, means the angles are equal no matter what the size of the triangle is. If in two triangles are similar, means their angles are same, this angle is same as this angle, this second angle is same as this angle, and this third angle is same as the third angle, then we say these two triangles are similar. Let's say ABC is the first triangle and PQR is the second triangle, and if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of the sides are equal, or you can say sides are proportional. Means AB over PQ is equal to side BC over QR is equal to AC over PR. If triangles are similar, then we can use this. Okay, so that's the concept that we are going to use for this question. Okay, so note down these things and let us solve this question. Okay, so here is the solution. As I said, let's consider that BD length as x units and the BF length as y units. The area of the rectangle, purple rectangle, or the final answer is equal to x times y. Okay, now if you watch carefully, this triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Here this angle is 90 degree, so this angle is also 90 degree. Okay, now let us have a look at the triangle AFE, triangle AFE, and the triangle EDC. What are the common things? See, angle F and angle D are right angles, right? So these two angles are same, I can say. Angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A common in both. Angle F is equal to angle D, which is 90 degree, or right angle you can say. Or if in a triangle two angles are known, third angle will be 180 minus the sum of the remaining two. So this angle is equal to what? If I consider, let's say this is theta angle, then this angle is going to be 90 minus theta, because this angle is already given as 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is also 90 minus theta. So this angle is x. So from here I can say these two triangles are similar triangles. The triangles becomes similar triangles by using AAA similarity, AAA, which is angle similarity, or you can say AA or AAA similarity. Now how we are going to use this in order to solve our question? See, if triangles are similar, sides are proportional. So I can say in the triangle AFE, AF upon ED is equal to FE upon DC is equal to AE upon EC. Okay, so let us take this part only in order to solve this question. What is AF? It is already given that it is 8 units, right? AF is already given in the question, which is 8 units. What about ED? ED is same as FB because these are two opposite sides of the rectangle. So FB, what we considered FB as Y, so ED is also Y. So I can say 8 over Y is equal to, next is FE. What is FE? This side length. Since BD we considered as X, so BD and EF are equal obviously. So I can say this is going to be equal to X over DC. DC is equal to what? It is also given as 3 units. So this is 3 units. So from here can I say, if I take the cross, I will get 8 times 3 is equal to X times Y, which gives me area of the rectangle, which is XY, is equal to 24 square units. And that's our answer. See how easy it is to solve this type of question if you know the similarity of triangles. Using the ratios of the side lengths, we can easily calculate the area of this purple rectangle. That's it for this session. And if you have any other question, you can ask your question in the comment box. And if you need any session, group session, one-on-one session, or homework assistant, or any doubt clearing session, or if you are preparing for any entrance exam and you need our help, you can just contact us through this WhatsApp number or join us on Telegram channel. That's it for this session. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next part. Keep watching, keep learning.